Top 10 Most Beautiful Places to Travel in Italy. Tuscany, welcome to the heart of Italy, where rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns define the picturesque landscape of Tuscany. Explore charming hilltop villages such as San Gimignano, with its iconic towers and medieval architecture, and Monte Pulciano, known for its Renaissance palaces and world-class wines. Journey through the countryside, dotted with cypress trees and olive groves, to discover the iconic landscapes that have inspired artists and writers for centuries. Indulge in Tuscan cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh local ingredients such as olive oil, cheese, and truffles, and savor the region's famous wines, including Chianti and Brunello di Montalcino. Florence, immerse yourself in the art, history, and culture of Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance and one of Italy's most enchanting cities. Explore iconic landmarks such as the Florence Cathedral, with its magnificent dome designed by Brunelleschi, and the Uffizi Gallery, home to masterpieces by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli. Wander through the narrow streets of the historic center, where Renaissance palaces, medieval churches, and bustling piazzas await around every corner. Cross the iconic Ponte Vecchio Bridge spanning the Arno River, lined with jewelry shops and artisan boutiques. Indulge in Florentine cuisine, with its emphasis on simple, flavorful dishes such as ribollita, bistecca alla fiorentina, and gelato. Pisa, discover the iconic Leaning Tower and other architectural treasures of Pisa, a charming city in the heart of Tuscany. Marvel at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Italy's most recognizable landmarks, as it leans precariously over the Piazza dei Miracoli. Climb to the top of the tower for panoramic views of the city and surrounding countryside, and pose for photos with the famous monument. Explore the historic center of Pisa, with its medieval churches, Renaissance palaces, and lively piazzas, including the Piazza dei Cavalieri and the Cathedral Square. Visit the Camposanto Monumentale, a historic cemetery adorned with frescoes and sculptures, and the Baptistry of St. John, known for its impressive acoustics. Venice, step into the enchanting world of Venice, a city of canals, bridges, and timeless beauty that captivates visitors from around the globe. Explore the iconic sights of Venice, including the Grand Canal, lined with elegant palaces and bustling waterways, and St. Mark's Square, home to the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica and the iconic Campanile Bell Tower. Wander through the narrow alleys and hidden piazzas of the historic center, where you'll discover charming cafes, artisan workshops, and centuries-old churches. Take a gondola ride along the tranquil canals, passing under ornate bridges and past historic landmarks, or hop aboard a Vaporetto water bus to explore the city's islands and lagoons. Cinque Terre, explore the breathtaking beauty of the Cinque Terre, a string of 5 picturesque villages nestled along the rugged coastline of the Italian Riviera. Discover the colorful houses perched on cliffs overlooking the sparkling waters of the Ligurian Sea, connected by scenic hiking trails, ancient terraced vineyards, and scenic train rides. Visit each of the 5 villages, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, each with its own unique charm and character. Hike along the famous Sentiero Azzurro Trail, which winds its way along the coast, offering stunning views of the villages and the sea below. Sicily, experience the rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes of Sicily, Italy's largest island and a crossroads of civilizations for millennia. Explore the historic city of Palermo, with its eclectic mix of Moorish, Norman, and Baroque architecture, and the ancient ruins of Agrigento, home to the Valley of the Temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover the towering peak of Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, where you can hike, ski, or take a scenic cable car ride to the summit for panoramic views of the island. Capri, retreat to the enchanting island of Capri, a glamorous destination in the Bay of Naples known for its stunning scenery, chic boutiques, and luxurious resorts. Explore the island's rugged coastline, with its towering cliffs, hidden grottos, and sparkling turquoise waters. Visit the famous Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by an otherworldly blue light, and the Faraglioni rock formations, iconic symbols of the island. Take a scenic chairlift ride to the summit of Mount Solaro for panoramic views of the Bay of Naples and the surrounding islands. Wander through the charming streets of Capri town, with its designer boutiques, upscale restaurants, and lively piazzas, and visit the historic Villa San Michele, home to stunning gardens and panoramic views. Rome, welcome to the Eternal City, where millennia of history, culture, and art converge to create an unforgettable experience for travelers from around the world. Explore iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, a symbol of ancient Rome's power and grandeur, and the Roman Forum, where you can walk in the footsteps of emperors and senators. Discover the awe-inspiring beauty of the Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and the Vatican Museums, where you can admire masterpieces by Michelangelo, Raphael, and Bernini. Wander through the narrow streets and hidden piazzas of Rome's historic center, where you'll find charming cafes, artisan shops, and centuries-old churches at every turn. Indulge in Roman cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh pasta, pizza, and gelato, and sample local specialties such as cacio e pepe, supply, and carciofi alla romana. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, admiring Renaissance art, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of the city, Rome offers an unforgettable Italian experience for travelers of all ages. Bologna, dive into the culinary capital of Italy and discover the vibrant flavors and rich cultural heritage of Bologna, a historic city in the heart of Emilia-Romagna. Explore the medieval streets and elegant arcades of Bologna's historic center, home to iconic landmarks such as the Two Towers, the Piazza Maggiore, and the Basilica of San Petronio. Visit the University of Bologna, one of the oldest universities in the world, and the Archiginesio, a historic building adorned with exquisite frescoes and marble sculptures. Indulge in Bolognese cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh pasta, cured meats, and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and sample local specialties such as tortellini, tagliatelle al ragu, and mortadella. Explore the city's vibrant food markets, artisan workshops, and traditional trattorias, where you can taste the best of Emilian cuisine. Pompeii, step back in time and explore the ancient city of Pompeii, frozen in time by the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Discover the haunting ruins of this once thriving Roman city, where you can walk along ancient streets, explore well-preserved houses, and marvel at colorful frescoes and mosaics that offer a glimpse into daily life in ancient Rome. Visit iconic landmarks such as the Forum, the heart of Pompeii's civic and religious life, and the amphitheater, where gladiators once fought for glory and spectators cheered from the stands. Explore the Villa of the Mysteries, one of Pompeii's most famous villas, known for its stunning frescoes depicting mysterious rituals and ceremonies. Learn about the tragic fate of Pompeii's inhabitants at the Garden of the Fugitives, where plaster casts of victims offer a poignant reminder of the city's destruction.